Understanding Pressure Check, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, pressure check. This idiom is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding its meaning and usage can significantly enhance your conversational skills. So, let's dive in. Pressure check refers to assessing or evaluating the level of stress or pressure in a given situation. It's often used in both personal and professional contexts. Imagine you're working on a project with tight deadlines. Your team leader might conduct a pressure check to ensure everyone is coping well. It's all about understanding the current state of affairs regarding stress or workload. The term pressure check likely originates from the literal action of checking the pressure in various contexts, like checking the air pressure in tires or the water pressure in pipes. Over time, it has evolved into a metaphorical phrase. When you use pressure check in conversation, it signals that you're concerned about the stress levels and want to ensure everything is manageable. Let's see how pressure check is used in sentences. 1. Before we proceed, let's do a quick pressure check to see how everyone is feeling about the upcoming deadline. 2. Our manager likes to have weekly pressure checks with the team to ensure the workload is balanced. 3. I did a pressure check on myself last night and realized I need a break from work. While pressure check is the most common form, variations like checking the pressure, pressure test, or stress check can also be heard. These variations retain the same core meaning but might be used differently depending on the context. And that's a wrap on understanding pressure check. Remember, idioms like these are vital in making your English sound more natural and fluent. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to do a pressure check on your English learning journey now and then. See you in the next video.